In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Heygen API Key Quick Setup Guide 2025. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to safely copy your API token so you can start building right away. First, open your browser and head to Google. In the search box, type Heygen and press enter. This helps you land on the official site quickly, even if you don't remember the exact URL. In the results, click the official Heygen website. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log into your account before continuing. Once you're in the Heygen dashboard, look toward the lower left corner of the screen for your profile area. This might appear as your avatar or initials. Click that profile section to open your account options. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. This is where Heygen keeps your account controls, including billing and developer access. Inside Settings, locate and click Subscriptions and API. This section centralizes anything tied to your plan and developer tools, so it's the right place to manage tokens. Next, select Heygen API. You'll be taken to the API area where your token lives. On this page, find the field labeled API token. Right next to it, you'll see a small button or icon. Click that to reveal or generate your token, depending on your account state. When the token is visible, click Copy to Clipboard. This action copies the full token string so you can paste it where you need it, such as in environment variables or your application's configuration. To finalize, click Confirm. This confirmation ensures you intended to copy or reveal the token and helps prevent accidental exposure. A few quick best practices before you go. Treat your API token like a password. Never paste it into public repositories, screenshots, or shared documents. Store it securely in a password manager or as an environment variable, not hard-coded in your source files. If you ever suspect your token has been exposed, return to this same API page to revoke or regenerate it. Also, be aware that API access may depend on your plan. If you don't see the token, check your subscription status in the same subscriptions and API area. That's it. Simple and secure. You've navigated to the Heygen site, opened your profile, jumped into Settings, found Subscriptions and API, entered the Heygen API page, revealed your API token, copied it, and confirmed. You're ready to connect your projects to Heygen's capabilities with confidence.